Hello, this is Matteo, and today we're going to unbox the Anker PowerPort for Lite. This is a travel charger, which is a port for charging multiple USB devices, which we picked up specifically because later today we're going to Barcelona for Mobile World Congress, or NWC as it's known now. As you can see, it's very similar to other Anker packaging we've seen in the past. It's simple cardboard with a white top, blue sides and a white back. And it opens up very simply, very small plastic sticker you don't need a knife or a pair of scissors for. And the packaging is very simple. On the inside you'll find the PowerPort, which when you take it out of the box has some plastic wrapping on it to keep it protected and stop it from scratching. I'm going to take that off. It has a bit of heft to it. It feels heavy. So it has 4 IQ ports. That means that the device, the charging port, will automatically adjust charging output for optimal performance. And as you can see here, the PowerPort for Lite has an output of 5 volts at 5.4 amps total, and it's maximum 2.4 amp per port. So this is a very useful device if you're traveling, and the reason we picked this on Amazon is that, as you can see, not only does it have 4 ports and is it relatively compact, but you can unclip the UK plug in this case and clip on the European plug charger for the charger, which means that when we go to Barcelona we won't need a plug adapter. We can just plug this straight into a power outlet and charge our devices. But for now we're still in the UK. We're going to take that off, put on our UK plug, and the output of this should be enough to fast charge my Google Pixel 3 XL, or it should be enough to charge my Huawei Mate 20 Pro or Pocophone F1. So this is what we're going to be taking to Barcelona, testing and putting through its paces whilst we're there. We'll let you know how we get on, but for now, as you can see, there's the packaging. There's just a bit of literature on the inside, which we won't even bother reading. But this is the Anker PowerPort for Lite, which we'll be using at MWC this year. Expect a written review on our website, Tech Travel Geeks. And if you enjoyed this video, please do subscribe to us on Tech Travel Geeks on YouTube. We love interacting with you. If you have any comments or questions, in this case specifically about the PowerPort for Lite, please feel free to get in touch with us on YouTube through comments or on Twitter. But for now, thanks for watching everyone, and we'll speak to you soon.